In this video, I'm going to show you how I put together this design that we used as a headboard. The first thing I did was marked out the size that I wanted to make it. I used a level and a square to mark my straight lines. Put a couple of scrap pieces underneath the piece to lift it up so I could cut it with my circular saw without cutting into my workbench. And now that I had it to a more manageable size, I sent it through my table saw to get it to the final size I wanted. I had a whole bunch of scrap 1x4s laying around, so that's what I used to make my design. I cut them all into about, I think, 1.5 inch strips, 1.25 inch strips. I set my miter saw to 30 degrees. This is based off of a design that my wife showed me, and I kind of just guessed that it was 30 degrees. So what I did is I tacked down the first design here, and then I made all my reference cuts based off of this. Alright, and so once I had that tacked down, you'll see here that I basically, this is how I made all of my cut to fit pieces. I put them on there. I had a line in the center of the board there, as you can see. I cut it until it went right up to the line, and then I did that again on the other side as well. So every piece that you had to cut to fit inside of the diamond and outside of the diamond, this is how I did that. Add a little paint, and then once I had everything cut out, I just glued it all down. And then whatever little excess I had, I cut with my circular saw, and then came back with my flush trim bit and brought it all to the plywood. Here I scuffed the paint a little bit, so I had to do a couple touch-ups. And then there's your final design. Hope you enjoy watching.